Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this smooth low chignon hairstyle. To start, I've left a little bit of hair out to frame the face and just clip it off for later, and do this on both sides. Next, gather the hair into your hand at the nape of the neck and spray some wax spray all over the top of the head, and then smooth it down with a brush. I'll pop everything I'm using in the description below. Then just secure it off into a ponytail. Now I've cut open a hair donor and just cut off a little bit of that padding, and I'm just going to re-wrap this around so it should look something like this, and then I'm just going to slip that ponytail through the middle and pull it up to the base of that ponytail, push towards the head and pin with a few bobby pins all the way around that padding. Make sure that you catch a little bit of the padding and a little bit of hair from underneath in your bobby pin. Divide the ponytail in half and clip off that right hand section. And working on the left hand side, I'm going to twist this all away from the head, and then I'm going to bring it up the left hand side of that padding and over the top and all the way over to the right hand side. Hold in place and again secure with as many bobby pins as needed to the hair padding. Now taking that second section, again I'm going to twist everything away from the face, and I'm going to bring it up the right hand side. I'm going to keep hold of the right hand side and bring the other ends underneath that top section. Hold in place and again secure all the way along that little twist with as many bobby pins as needed. Now with the little tail ends, I'm just going to twist them, keep twisting in the same direction, and add a little clear elastic band. On the last turn, only bring the ends part way through to create a loop, and then just tuck that loop underneath the chignon and secure in place with a bobby pin or two. Next, I'm going to curl the hair we left down at the front away from the face. I'm going to do this on both sides. Now I'm going to take some dry texture spray, again it will be listed below, and just spray that section. Smooth it through with a comb, and then on the underside I'm gently going to tease that section just so it creates a wave rather than a curl, and then use your fingers to pinch and pull at the end, the sides of those waves, just to loosen things up. Then just repeat the same steps on the opposite side. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.